Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can remove the background from your video using Canva. And for this video you basically need paid version. Many people they are showing that you can do this in Canva, but they don't want to mention that it is for paid version. I'm using the paid version of Canva, that's why I'm able to do this thing. So if you are planning to remove the video background from your video, you must need Canva, and you can subscribe from Canva website. I'm not giving you any affiliate link because I'm not that much interested to earn money through the affiliate link. Rather, I'm going to teach you how you can do this thing. So at first you need to upload your video. You can directly drag and drop in the canvas basically to upload the video, or you can click this upload this button, not the box, and from here you can upload your file. So I already uploaded the video, or this is on sample video from Canva, you can also use. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the background. So there is a dog here in this video, and if you play this video, then there is some background, right? I'm going to remove this background. So the background removing process is very simple. You just need to select the clip or video from where you want to remove the background, and when you select the background, I mean video, not the background, when you select the video, basically you will find this type of menus are there. But if you don't select the video, you will not find those menus are there. So at first you need to click on the video which actually you want to remove the background. So I selected this video and I'm going to remove this background. So once I select, then these menus are coming, and from here we see there is a option, it is called BG remover. So to remove background, we just need to use this tool. BG means background and remover. So if we click this thing, the background will be removed easily. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will process, and you will see the background has been removed. And if you try to play, you will see that the background removed completely. Now we can replace the entire background with on our like preferred background. So I'm going to click elements, and I'm going to search by typing like green field. For example, this is the green field. We can use this thing, or we can use some other thing, like for example we can use this, and we can right click and set as background. And here if we try to play it, we'll see that the dog is actually here, and the background, the trees are there. It's like paddy field or field, something like that. I just randomly choose on like field. You can choose based on your own need. Also you can choose some background also, you can also use that. Like if you want to actually add a like static background instead of this video background, you can also choose like this way. Suppose this is one of the like for example this one, I want to use it. So right click and set as background, and now if we try to play, and we will see that the dog is there, and it the original background removed, and this is the video, right? So see here. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily remove the background from a video using Canva Pro. And if you are not interested to use Canva Pro, you can also use the same thing, similar type of thing basically, by using other tool also, like Adobe for Adobe Premium, and for Apple they have like Final Cut Pro. So anything you can use, but I showed you in Canva in this video. So that's it guys. Hopefully by watching this video you can actually remove the background from your video very easily. That's it. Thank you guys for watching the video.